looking for connection. It's wired into our DNA to need to connect. We kind of have a disconnection epidemic going on in the world.
The world has nothing for you at all. There is nothing the world has for you other than an opportunity for you to give, for you to share, for you to serve, for you to radiate, for you to activate your potential. That's all the world has for you. You are here to ask, how can I shine? How can I give? How can I share? How can I radiate? That I need, I'm already that vibration. I'm already that frequency.